G'day and welcome to Esti-mate Electrical, the program that has literally been designed to save you time and therefore money whilst helping you estimate with confidence. Ready for your first tender? Let's get started. The program has a handy auto save function, so no need to worry about saving before moving between sections. Okay, first things first, let's set up your factory settings. Next to the item tab is defaults. Here, you can select your default unit rates for labour, material markup, light fitting markup and so on. Once these are entered, all tenders moving forward will already have these values inserted. Your factory settings already come with default pricing. However, we do believe it's best you check this section out and update the pricing to your prices from your supplier if appropriate. To update, you can either update items individually by clicking on the edit button, or you can bulk update by our handy CSV file, drag and drop. Once this is done, there's no need to do it again until it's time to do a price list update, which we suggest is done annually. Once on the home page, head to the top right of the page, click My Tenders, then New Tender. On the left-hand side of the page, you will find your quick access menu. Keep in mind two things. One, factory settings must be done first, followed by general information. And two, if you fill out each page in order, making sure you fill out each section before moving on to the next, you should fly through this.